Hey y'all, Tom at Integrity Transmission and Auto Repair in Fate, Texas. If you're driving around in a Ford F-150 or Expedition or even a Mustang and you're having transmission troubles with that early 10-speed Ford transmission, we have a cure for it. When we rebuild it, we'll give you all the upgrades you need to make that transmission last a long time. It's going to come with a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. It's going to be fairly priced, and it's going to be done in about a week. If that's something that we can help you with, please give us a call at 972-772-4441.